Let us look at classification of sequences. Convergent sequences, divergent sequences and oscillating sequences are three varieties of sequences. Suppose you consider a sequence an equals sequence 1 by 2 raised to n. We have the first term of the sequence will be 1 by 2 giving n equals 1. The second term of the sequence will be a2 equals 1 by 2 square giving n equals 2, and the third term of the sequence will be a3 which is obtained by giving n equals 3, that is a3 equals 1 by 2 cube. We have the general term of the sequence will be an equals 1 by 2 raised to n. In order to check whether this sequence has a limit, let us apply the limit n tends to infinity to the general term 1 by 2 raised to n. That is, we have limit n tends to infinity an equals limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n. When you give the limit, you obtain the limiting value equals 0. Since the value of the limit which equals 0 is a finite value, we will conclude that for this particular sequence an which equals sequence 1 by 2 raised to n, the limit exists which is equal to the finite value 0, which would mean that in the neighborhood of 0 there exist infinitely many terms for the sequence an equals sequence 1 by 2 raised to n. From this we will come to the conclusion that this sequence is a convergent sequence. Mathematically, we have the definition. A general sequence an is said to be convergent whenever limit n tends to infinity, general term an is a finite value. Let us consider another example. Sequence an equals sequence sine of 1 by n. We have the general term of the sequences an equals sine of 1 by n. When you apply the limit n tends to infinity to the general term an, we have limit n tends to infinity sine of 1 by n will be equal to sine of 0 which equals 0. Since we have obtained the limit which is equal to 0 is a finite value, we will conclude that the given sequence sine of 1 by n is a convergent sequence. Since limit exists, in other words, we have in the neighborhood of 0, there are infinitely many terms of the sequence sine of 1 by n. Considering another example, sequence an equals sequence cos 1 by n. We have the general term an equals cos of 1 by n, to which when you apply the limit n tends to infinity, we obtain limit n tends to infinity cos 1 by n equals limit n tends to infinity cos of 0. We have cos 0 equals 1, which is obtained as a finite value. Since limit n tends to infinity an is obtained as a finite value, here we will conclude that sequence cos of 1 by n is also a convergent sequence. In other words, in the neighborhood of 1, there exist infinitely many terms of the sequence cos 1 by n.